You can say a lot about White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt. For one thing, she knows how to make herself the center of attention. Sometimes it's hard to remember that Karoline Leavitt became White House Press Secretary at the age of just 27, especially since Leavitt tends to dress in a way that ages her up. But a look back through her Instagram will show that dressing like a professional hasn't always been her strong suit. While Leavitt still loves to bare her cleavage during press conferences and often flaunts her figure in tight-fitting outfits, she does appear to be dressing more tastefully these days, opting for crewneck tops under blazers and less snug dresses. Clearly, though, it hasn't always been that way. In July 2023, for example, Leavitt posted a photo of herself in Nantucket wearing black bike shorts and a coordinated top. The post drew a lot of comments, both positive and negative. One fan wrote, "What a knockout beauty you are. You got a lucky husband." A few years earlier, in December 2020, Leavitt wore a truly inappropriate Christmas party outfit to the White House, where she was serving as an assistant press secretary in the first Trump administration. Wearing an extremely tight-fitting dress with cleavage spilling out everywhere? Not so much. Then in September 2023, Leavitt posted a picture of herself in yet another tight-fitting outfit. This time she was on the shore of Lake Tahoe. The caption of her post read, "If heaven were a place on earth." In the snap, Leavitt wore a bra top and workout pants from Booty by Brabants. Again, the comments hit both positive and negative notes. One said, "Spandex is not for you," while another comment read, "You look good in the color blue." And leave it to Karoline Leavitt to find a way to take a professional-looking black sheath dress and give it the hug every curve treatment. In July 2025, she retreated to the West Wing after speaking to reporters outside. One key tip for nailing the corporate core fashion trend is to be confident, and Leavitt seems to have that one figured out. Now, most of Leavitt's outfits tend to make her look older, but not this one. What do you do when you want to draw someone's attention to some words on a page? You highlight them. The same is true in fashion. If you want to grab someone's attention and draw it to a certain part of the body, just add highlighter, by way of a piece of neon clothing. That's exactly what Karoline Leavitt did in 2023, when she wore a high-vis green top at a Miami Heat basketball game, which she attended with fellow West Winger Margot Martin. Finally, in May 2018, a year before she graduated from college, Leavitt went on a trip to Italy. She posted a photo of herself eating gelato, but that wasn't exactly the focal point of most people's comments. No, that belonged to her backside, which was heavily accentuated in tight-fitting white jeans. As always, many of Leavitt's Instagram followers offered compliments and flame emojis, while others criticized her for the look. It doesn't seem to have fazed Leavitt herself, of course, who has continued to post her figure-hugging outfit pics through the years.